Hey there fellow Greymanes, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Mistcloaked Owl Plate Helm in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in Muykun village at the southeastern edge of Tashkap in the Crimson Desert region. You need to unlock the back alley shop first before you can buy the leather armor. Our video in the channel, How to Get the True Black Dye, covers this, so please make sure to check it out. Once you have the back alley shop unlocked, you can buy the Mistcloaked Owl Plate Helm from his selection of items. This helmet provides 7 points in defense and Mistcloaked Owl disguise. But at max refinement, the defense goes up to 17. I think this headgear is only good for fashion sets as it sacrifices 4 points in defense compared to other plate helms, which provides 21 defenses. And that's how to get the Mistcloaked Owl Plate Helm in Crimson Desert. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.